Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. We are still at the 2.1 integration of functions, but now we are at the third LO, which is we are going to find the integral of exponent bx plus c dan juga integral of a is still exponent ya, a bx plus c, and also the integral of 1 over bx plus c. So these three things that we will be focusing at. And so what formula do we use? We still at the basic integrations, or I call it as basic rules or basic integration. Okay, so there are four to five, six formula there in my notes. Okay, so I don't really want to go to the formula in too much detail, but I will focus at the example, at the concrete example first, and then I refer the formula. That is my style. Okay, so before we go to the formula, let's simplify the question. Tak adalah simplify the question sangat-sangat. What I did here is just I want to bring the k constant outside of the integral dahulu. So I bring the 1 over 3 outside of the integral. Jadi yang di dalam ni hanyalah tinggal 1 over x. So until I got this kind of form, barulah saya pergi ke formula saya, the basic integral, the basic integration saya, the basic rule says that whenever I meet 1 over x, my answer will be ln x. But I must put modulus. And then barulah letak plus c. Okay, so the answer is very easy, very simple. The answer is just 1 over 3 ln, jangan lupa letak palang x, and then plus c. That's it. That is the first example. Now, the next one. What do you do before you integrate? You must always to remember bring out the constant outside. Supaya apa? Supaya you nampak 1 per itu. 1 per 2x tolak 1. Okay, for your information ya, 1 per ini wajib dilihatkan dahulu supaya baru you boleh apply the basic rule of integration. And so you must also remember that this is also 1 over linear. Remember ya, the formula is only working for linear di bahagian bawah ni saja. Kalau quadratic, cubic semua tak working pun. Formula ini hanya works untuk yang linear, 1 over linear sahaja. And so the answer is just 10, and then I put a big bracket, and then inside of the answer here, in the bracket here should be ln apa? What do you think? Ln 2x minus 1. Maybe I should use purple color, 2x minus 1, okay? And then I'm not finished. I must not forget to divide it with 2. Wow, where is this 2 coming from? And then tambah C. Sabar ya. Saya tulis dulu jawapannya. 5 equals to 5. Therefore, the answer is 5 ln 2x minus 1 with palang and then plus with C. Okay, so this is the answer. So you might figure that, oh wow, where is this coming from? Where is the number 2 coming from? The 2 is coming from differentiate 2x minus 1. Okay, but the number 2 must be put below this line, okay, which is at the denominator part. And so we refer the formula, we refer the basic rule of integration. When you have 1 over linear, ax plus b, you will have the answer as ln ax plus b, copy paste. But you must not also forget to put divide with a. A is coming from differentiate whatever linear there. Okay, so that is the 2 basic rule yang sudah pun you hafal. Okay, you should hafal. So now, remember Just always remember this is only working for 1 over linear sahaja. You akan berjumpa dengan jawapan yang berbentuk logarithm ataupun ln. Okay. Now let's go to soalan yang berbentuk eksponen. Soalan yang berbentuk eksponen 2x ataupun 3x ataupun 4x, whatever. As long as it is an exponent. But now we are trying to integrate it. So now how do we integrate it? So let me show you how first. What do we need to do first is we copy paste the soalan. Copy paste seketul, sebiji the question there. So the answer is 2 to the power of x over, must always put over with ln 2. Ln 2. And then don't forget to put plus c. Alright, so that's the answer. So let's look at the basic rule. The basic rule show us that you copy paste the soalan and then you divide with the ln of the base. Kalau sini base 3, sini ln 3. Kalau sini base 11, sini juga ln 11. Okay, right. Next one. So again, we still have the integral of exponent. So copy paste, jangan risau, copy paste soalan seperti biasa. So the answer is 2 to the power of 7x minus 1. And then you must not forget to divide with ln apa? Ln 2. Ln 2, sama je start dia. Tetapi jangan lupa, kita kena darabkan dengan 7. Where is the 7 coming from? Have a guess. Where is the 7 coming from? The 7 is just coming from the differentiate, the 7x minus 1. So mestilah ditulis di bahagian bawah, bukan di atas. And then don't forget to put plus c. Therefore, when we simplify it, kita tulis cantik-cantik. 2 to the power of 7x minus 1 over with 7 ln 2 plus c. So saya letak nombor 7 di depan. Lebih nampak kemas. Okay. So what I did here is just this basic rule. I must not forget my m. M is where I differentiate the linear. And then the ln a, also not to be forgotten, must be returned there as well. Okay. Okay, the last one, the final example from me is the same as my first question in this video. I must bring the 2 outside, constant 2 outside, dan di dalamnya hanya tinggal, oops, why is it like that? Sorry guys, 1 over x di dalam integral, and then we know that integrate 1 over linear. Again ya, you kena hafal semua ni. Kalau tak you tak tahu buat. You must remember the soalan dan the jawapan. 1 over linear gonna give us a ln linear. Okay, a ln linear. That is the concept. And then plus c. And so you know that already. So the answer is 2 ln palang x plus c. That's it. That is the integration, the basic integration of having exponent sebagai soalannya dan juga having logarithm sebagai jawapannya.